Hi, I'm Tim Dr. T. Shamillard, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm an associate professor in the computer science department at the University of Colorado at Colorado Springs, where I teach a variety of undergraduate game design and development courses. I'm also the program director for our Bachelor of Innovation in Game Design and Development. I spent 5.5 years in a company named Peak Game Studios that I formed with my two sons, and now I do my game development in my one-man shop, Burning Teddy. This is a 5-week course, and in the first 4 weeks you'll learn bunches of new material, and then in the final week you'll complete your last peer review. There are 4 peer reviews in the course, and they're each worth 25%, so they constitute your entire grade in the course. I have provided a number of exercises as well, and even though they're not worth any points, they are good practice. Because this is the 4th course in the specialization, I expect you to have a bunch of prerequisite C# knowledge. Instead of going through this list, I'll ask you to pause the video and take a look at this list, and when you're ready, unpause the video. I also expect you to have a bunch of prerequisite Unity knowledge, so again, pause the video to take a look at the list and then move on. In this course, we'll do a number of different lessons. We'll do the getting started, which you're doing right now, and then we'll look at dynamic arrays, which are much like the list class from the System Collections generic namespace, and we'll also take a look at algorithm analysis, which lets us quantify the complexity of operations on different data structures. In the second module, we'll look at linked lists and graphs, and then in the third module, we'll look at stacks, queues, and trees. In the final module of new material, we'll look at design patterns, and then finally in the finishing up module, I will actually, tell you you've done a great job and tell you how far you've come and encourage you to take the last course in the specialization. This course is obviously the 4th course in the specialization, so it builds on the knowledge that you've been accumulating through the first 3 courses. And the topics in this course are based on part of the 2nd programming course at UCCS for game developers, although I will admit it includes more material than I include in that course. As always, if you need help, you should go to the forums, and if you can't find help there, you should surf the web, and hopefully you'll get some help there to work through the problems you're running into.